This is 5.2 strings. We count the number of words. Given a string consisting of words separated by spaces, determine how many words it has. To solve the problem, use the method count. Okay, so let's talk about this. Let's say I have a string. Let's call it S equals, I don't know, hello, Control plus, hello world. I want to find out how many of a specific character it has. So S equals, let's just say num equals S dot count. I want to see how many O's it has, zeros or O's it has in the word S. This is how you would do it. You take the string, you put dot count is the name of my method. This thing counts how many O's there are in S. And if I want to see what's in num, it's 2 because it's O and O. I could do the same thing for, W. What do you think num's going to be? Num is going to equal to 1. Now, if I want to count words, how would I count words? Well, words are separated with spaces. So, you could use something like words equals S dot count space. And of course, words would have only, it would return 1 because there's only one space. So what we'd have to do, we'd have to modify, add 1 to it. Now, s.count returns an integer, I'm assuming, because it's supposed to return a number. If I add 1 to it, it should work. So words is 2. And that's basically how you would solve it. You would take in an integer. You would take in an integer, a word. And then you would print, you wouldn't print S, but you'd say something like words equals S dot count. Count how many spaces and add 1. And then you just print words. And that would be it. Let's see. If we run the program, say something like, hello, this is a sentence with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 words. Enter. And it should return 8. Let's submit. Is this going to work? Of course, it doesn't work if we have 2 spaces, but don't worry about that right now. And that's how you do question 5.2.